How to check PayPal username. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PayPal app. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top right, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Edit. After you click on Edit at the top, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply you will find your username below your username. You will also be able to add location or change location, add description about you. You can not change username, but you will be able to check your PayPal username in here. And this is how to check PayPal username. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.